6 shells of this box. Never shot these before. These are 5-inch. We got a Killer Clown by Grand Patriot. This is a 25 shot. Got a nice fountain by Warrior called Crazy Pills. And this one shoots some, I think, yeah, ground blooms at the end. It's like shaking it on the bottom. Picked up a pack of bottle rockets. These are just whistling kind. We got a caution cake, 16 shots. And you guys probably have seen this a bunch of times. So we got one of these, 25 shot. And then finally a pack of the Smurf rockets. So yeah, just a quick update. All that stuff. I also have the ham cake reconstructed, refused, and I'll show you guys a clip of how I fused it up. Nothing major, just did a little bit of refusing. We just opened up the ham cake and I'm deconstructing it. Took off all the tape and cardboard. They're fused up, but maybe these fuses are a little old, so I'm gonna take these out and put in different fuse just to make sure. But as you can see, all these layers, this one's kind of glued together, this one a lot of room, so I'll brace it together and make sure everything's good on this ham cake. This is the new fuse, this is the old. I'm guessing this is quick fuse. I'm gonna use quick fuse regardless. I believe that's perfect fuse because it's pink. And this is what I'm using, quick hobby fuse, 0.1 to 4 seconds per foot. I just plugged in the new quick fuse. This was green Visco, so it has a medium cake fuse for that. Just want to refuse all these. I'm not going to do the ones in between, just because in the video it stops at 14 shots. So it goes all the way, and then after this row it stops. So I don't think it needs it in the middle. Might add maybe some fuse around it or something, but the whole thing should go. New one. As far as it will go. And then I just wrapped it in this wrapping paper, and that's just tissue paper. And then on this one, we got over here, where's the cake? 4 lighter ups and 2 Absolute Evils by Cutting Edge. So the 2 Absolute Evils in here, and I made it so it's fused up in the middle and quick fuse, so one should go, and then right in the middle another one should go, right in the middle of that another one, another one, another one, and another one. So should be a pretty sweet finale. There goes Chillo again.